Excitement around the upcoming DJI Avata 360 is quickly building as two fresh leaks reveal new insights about what could become a groundbreaking drone for creators. One leak focuses on accessories and operating costs, while the other exposes a surprising amount of technical information from a single controller screen image. Together, these details paint a picture of a drone designed specifically for modern content production. The first report surfaced through well-known drone insider Jasper Ellens, shared via Drone XL. According to the information, DJI is preparing a dedicated lens replacement kit, expected to cost around €50. The package will reportedly include two removable lenses along with the necessary tools for quick installation. This marks a notable shift in design philosophy compared to earlier models like the DJI Avata and DJI Avata 2, where lens damage often required replacing the entire camera module or sending the drone in for professional repair. With the new design, users could simply unscrew a scratched lens and install a new one within minutes. That kind of practicality is particularly valuable for a drone expected to capture immersive 360 footage in tight locations where bumps and crashes are far more likely. The second leak is where things become truly fascinating. A photograph of the DJI RC2 controller reveals the drone's flight interface in action. Instead of displaying a traditional forward-facing camera feed, the screen shows a spherical, tiny planet-style preview. This strongly indicates that the drone relies on a dual fisheye camera system capturing the entire environment in 360 degrees while stitching the footage in real time. Visible grid lines across the sphere appear to assist with stabilization, horizon leveling, and reframing. A green crosshair on the interface likely represents the direction of a virtual viewing angle. Because a 360 camera records everything simultaneously, the crosshair probably indicates where the final frame shot will point, rather than the direction of a fixed camera. Cameras from Insta360 already use similar replaceable lens systems, so DJI adopting a comparable approach would make perfect sense for durability and convenience. Battery information from the leak is equally intriguing. The Avata 360 battery is rumored to cost around €70, noticeably cheaper than the €100 battery used in the Avata 2. Interestingly, the capacity may actually increase to about 38.6 watt-hours, up from 31.8 watt-hours. If accurate, this suggests DJI could be lowering long-term operating costs while still extending performance, allowing creators to purchase additional batteries for longer filming sessions without spending as much. This detail hints at a powerful software-based stabilization system that functions like a virtual gimbal. Instead of relying entirely on mechanical movement, pilots could adjust the camera's perspective digitally inside the spherical footage during flight. Additional telemetry on the display suggests roughly 18 minutes of total flight endurance, with the drone recording at 6K resolution and 25 frames per second. The interface also shows a strong GPS connection with 36 satellites locked, indicating highly stable positioning. Perhaps the most exciting possibility is AI-driven subject tracking. Since the drone captures every angle simultaneously, software could automatically follow a subject inside the 360 footage and keep it centered in the final shot without physically turning the drone. If implemented well, this approach could completely reshape how aerial storytelling is captured. The Antigravity A1 is introduced as the world's first true 360-degree drone. Instead of pointing a single camera in one direction, it captures everything around it. This production model has already been tested for several weeks to evaluate its real-world performance. The drone is available in multiple bundles, including the Infinity Bundle for users who want the complete package. Starting with the unboxing experience, the drone comes with a shoulder carrying bag that makes it easier to transport during travel. There is also an additional protective case designed specifically for the drone to keep it safe while moving from one location to another. The drone itself features a foldable and compact design. This makes it easy to store and carry without taking up much space. Even with its advanced camera system, the drone weighs under 249 grams, which is important because it helps avoid stricter drone regulations in many regions. Despite the lightweight body, it can still handle wind speeds up to 10.7 meters per second, which falls into level 5 wind resistance. For safety, the drone includes obstacle sensors on the front as well as additional sensors on the bottom. When the system detects an obstacle, the drone can automatically brake to prevent a collision. However, it will stop instead of navigating around the object. The camera system is the highlight of the Antigravity A1. It uses two 360-degree cameras positioned on the top and bottom of the drone. This design allows the drone itself to disappear from the final footage, creating a floating camera effect. The drone can record 8K 360-degree video at 30 frames per second, which provides extremely detailed footage. It also supports 4K slow-motion recording at 100 frames per second for smoother action shots. The cameras use a relatively large 1/1.28-inch sensor, which helps capture more detail and better colors. Image quality includes strong color saturation and good dynamic range. There is no flat color profile for advanced color grading, but users still get manual controls such as shutter speed and ISO adjustments. The maximum ISO is 6400, although footage in very dark conditions may introduce some noise. To protect the camera lenses, the drone uses deployable landing legs that keep the lower camera away from the ground when landing. The lenses themselves are also replaceable, and a repair kit is available if they become scratched. The drone includes useful lighting as well. A front status light shows the drone's condition, with green indicating normal operation and red warning of a low battery. There is also an auxiliary light on the bottom that helps with night flying. For storage, the drone includes 20 gigabytes of internal memory along with a memory card slot for additional storage. Charging and data transfer are handled through a USB-C port. Battery performance depends on which battery you use. The standard battery provides around 20 to 22 minutes of flight time. A larger, high-capacity battery can extend that up to 39 minutes. The multi-battery charger can charge 3 batteries at once and includes a display showing each battery's percentage. The system also includes FPV vision goggles weighing about 340 grams. These goggles have a separate battery worn around the neck, offering about 2.5 hours of runtime. Inside the goggles are dual 1-inch micro OLED displays that provide a clear and immersive view. They also include adjustable diopter settings for vision correction and an anti-fog system. The transmission range reaches up to 10 kilometers under FCC conditions and around 6 kilometers under CE regulations. The goggles even include a small front display that allows people nearby to see what the pilot is viewing. Control is handled through a motion controller. Pulling the trigger moves the drone forward, and there are 2 flight modes, free motion and FPV mode. The controller also includes buttons for takeoff, recording, emergency braking, and different speed levels, including a fast sport mode that reaches 16 meters per second. The biggest advantage of a 360-degree drone is flexibility. Pilots can look in any direction while flying because the drone's movement and viewing direction are separate. This allows creators to fly first and frame later, meaning they can adjust the camera angle during editing instead of worrying about perfect framing in the air. The drone also includes smart features like Deep Track for tracking people or vehicles, Sky Genie for automated cinematic movements, and SkyPath for waypoint flights. Safety features such as Return to Home activate automatically if the signal is lost or the battery becomes low. In addition to standard video recording, the drone supports slow-motion video and a 55-megapixel photo mode that saves images in JPEG format. All these features together make the Antigravity A1 a unique step forward in drone technology, especially for creators who want maximum flexibility when capturing aerial footage.